little friends. I'm Tony. Come and join me. Are you ready to learn, sing, play, and explore? Come on, friends. Welcome Tony Little World. Good choice. Good habits make us happy. Clean up, clean up. Every toy goes back in its place. Brush, brush your teeth. Morning and night, keep them bright. Healthy food, yum yum. Fruits and veggies help me grow. I know. May I answer, please?
Yes, Tony.
Thank you. Here you go, my friend. Thank you, Tony. Sharing is caring. Trash goes in the bin. Let's keep our park clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Cleanse our happy hands. It's study time. Learn a little every day. Good Habits Champion! Thank you, everyone. Good habits every day. Clean and kind, healthy too. Good habits every day. Hip, hip, hooray! Thank you for joining me, little friends. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye. See you soon.